Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm going to talk to you today about this 2019 Nash 23D. If you're looking for a great Pacific Northwest four-season camper made in the Pacific Northwest, you're looking at a Northwood product and you're looking at a Nash. Nash has the best kind of construction and installation in the industry with a lot of features I want to go over here so you can have a peek at what sets this apart from something else. So you have 2-inch thick walls in the Nash, and it's filled with batten insulations, kind of the same insulation you have in your house. And some of the stuff that's going to really set it apart, walk you through it. Huge pass-through storage here. You have a lot of space in there for storage, and then they also come with these kind of accessory trays. And the accessory trays can do quite a few different things. They have kind of a bike rack. They have the space to seat an outdoor grill. They kind of just have an accessory tray, and it all fits into that rail that's right off the rear there on the body of the trailer. And right inside here too, you have a battery cutoff switch. So it's really easy to, when you're storing your trailer, just to flip that switch so you don't have to manually, literally disconnect the leads from your battery so it doesn't passively drain. It cuts all that out for you. Makes it really easy. You have a 23-foot floor length here. As you notice, it's a little bit higher than a lot of trailers too, because Northwood makes their own chassis and they make each floor plan specific to each chassis. So it really balances well, and it's actually off-roading chassis as well. So you have a double axle suspension there. Really stable, pulls really well because of that balance, and you have a really big awning as well. The awning, push button electric, super easy on, out and in, and it really helps out making use of your outdoor space here. Now with that rail, you have a quick connect for your liquid propane right down here. Literally just a male-female plug. It just slots right in, boom, and you're actually plugged right into the propane that's off the front. You don't have to bring an additional fuel source. If you come around the rear here as well, some of the things that set Northwood products apart, especially Nash's, is that they come with receiver hitches. So if you want to, say, add a platform hitch on here or a bike rack or something, really easy to do. It's already set up for it. You have a walk-on roof here, one-piece rubber roof, incredibly stellar construction for the trusses and everything for the roof. And you have your roof ladder there too, so you can check on your seals and your gaskets and everything. Another thing that actually sets Northwood apart is that it has a spot for a generator. A lot of times people don't have generators, but this space here is essentially a dry box as well. And so if you don't have a generator, a lot of people are storing firewood or anything they want to keep dry or don't want to get wet anywhere else. Double rack and pinion for your slide out. Some of the best construction, some super simple mechanisms there, and it's just tried and true technology with that as well. So let's head inside and see what the interior can give. Big grab handle makes kind of entering the trailer really easy here. Northwood does really good construction, so you can just smell it when you walk in. Because it's all real wood in all the cabinetry, and so you have a lot of folding space. You have your hanging space on the other side, storage space above, and they accommodate for a lot of different stuff too. So you have your 110 plugins plus your USBs on either side of the bed. And up top, right above the bed, you have your fantastic fan. Those things to produce quite an enormous cross breeze. Pop a window, click one of those on, you get a lot of breeze just from that little guy right there. If we're looking from the bed, you have a privacy curtain that's going to kind of give a little bit of division of space here into the main room. So the main room, huge U-shaped dinette. A lot of space here, can see a lot of people, and below it, each side has storage underneath it as well. And that storage is actually accessible from an exterior door into that slide out as well. And we have here double basin, stainless steel sink, really nice and tried and true hardware on these guys. They do really nice construction on everything, every aspect. One of the things that they do that kind of sets them apart as well is they have machine aluminum stays out behind all your cabinetry. So you're drilling your cabinets not just into the substrate of your walls, but into the aluminum stays, and it produces some intense bonding there. Really just stable quality construction. Oh, another thing that I didn't mention that is right off the entrance here You have a solar panel that's on the roof right here. Solar panel that's trickle charging your batteries, making sure you're never depleted. And actually when you're driving down the road, it's helping. When you're parked, it's helping. It's always making sure you have some energy there for you. Stainless steel cover for your three burner stove. A nice actual size to the stove, too, a little bit larger than normal. You have your deeper, as a 8 cubic foot fridge. Plus, when you go into the rear here, you have a really big bathroom. So they're putting the shower on the side, a lot of room in there so you don't have to throw elbows at the walls when you're showering. A lot of space in here so you don't have to throw elbows at the walls when you're drying off. And opposite that shower, if you didn't have enough space for storage of anything, kind of linens or hangings, boom, you have a huge closet space there as well. And right above my head, another fantastic fan to deal with any kind of moisture that may accumulate from the shower. If you have any questions about this or any other trailer at Guaranty, drop on by and say hello or give me a call, 773-655-7190. My name is Jake. Thanks.